Hi, fantastic fourth graders. This is your Math, Module 1, Lesson 6 with Mrs. Fiska. Today our learning targets are: I can use my knowledge of place value to understand more than and less than in multi-digit numbers. I can also use my knowledge of place value to complete a number pattern. Okay, so we're going to start out with finding 1,000 more or finding 1,000 less. Okay, in this place value chart on row 1, I'm going to put in the number 3,112. Okay, in row 2, I'm going to show 1,000 more. So if I look at my thousands number, it's the 3. So I want to write 1,000 more. So I'm just going to put a 4, which is 1,000 more. But the rest of my numbers in my place value chart would be exactly the same. I would still have 100, I would still have 110, I would still have 2 ones. Now, look at this last question. What would 1,000 less be? So we look back at our 3, and we think about 1 less 1,000. So we would have a 2,112. Okay, this problem is just a little bit more complicated. In the first row of the place value chart, we're going to show 20,000 plus 3,000. So this is an expanded form, but we're just going to put that into our first row of our place value chart. Okay, so the expanded form shows that I have 2 10,000s, 3,000s, 0 hundreds, 0 tens, 0 ones. Now in row 2, we're going to show 10,000 more. So we're going to go to our 10,000s place value column, and we're just going to see that we have a 2 here, and we're just going to make it 1 higher, 1 more. 1 10,000 more would be 3 10,000s. And then we would just bring down the rest of our numbers in our place value chart to show that this is 10,000 more. 33,000 is 10,000 more than 23,000. Okay, what would be 10,000 less? So we just look at our 2 again in the 10,000s because we're doing 10,000 more or 10,000 less, and we know that 1 less is 1. So 10,000 less would be, so 10,000 less would be, okay, we would have just 1 10,000 and 3 thousands. So we would write that as 13,000. And that would be 10,000 less than 23,000. Okay, so let's just try this again. In the first row of the place value chart, we're going to show 200,352. So let's do that. Okay, in row 2, we're going to show 100,000 more. The way that we do that is we go to our 100,000s. We see that that's a 2, so 100,000 more is going to be a 3. And then we pull down the same values of the rest of the numbers. So we can actually say that 300,352 is 100,000 more than 200,352. So now, what would be 1,000 less? So if we look at the 2, we're just going to change that to a 1 and then go ahead and put in the rest of the digits that we see there. Okay, let's go to the next slide. Okay, on this slide, we're going to do one of the problems from your homework tonight. So we're going to do page 32, number 4B. You're going to fill in the empty boxes to complete the pattern. So let's think about what we have here. Let's look at the numbers we have. We have 764, 774, and then 804,000. But our hundreds, our tens, and our ones are remaining the same. So I think we're going to be counting up by 10,000s. Let's see if that works. So let's say we have 764, 774. Do you see that? The 6 went up to a 7. So I know that I'm counting up by 10,000s. So I have 70,000. So my next one's going to be 80,000, but I want to keep the same amount. So I'm going to say 784,000, and then the rest of the number is going to be just the same, 321. So this went up from 678. So my next one's going to be 794,321. So now I just need to know one less. So that's going to be 754,321. So if I check that, I'm going to have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then over into 804,000. Okay, now I want you to complete page 31. You don't have to do all of it, just do 2A, 2C, 2E, and then do page 32, do 3A, 3B, 3C, all of this in your Succeed homework book, and bring it to class tomorrow. Everybody be responsible, and let's all do the homework. Thank you. Bye.